Hey friends, today we're going to draw Tracer.
Yeah, what video game is she from?
Overwatch.
Yeah, this one was a lot of fun.
Yeah, and she looks awesome.
She turned out really cool.
Yeah.
I love this game.
Me too.
And what are we using to draw with?
Markers.
Yeah, to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Let's do it.
Hey parents and teachers, if your kids are enjoying art with us, you'll really love our Art for Kids Hub membership. Watch our lessons ad-free and even download lessons for offline fun. It works on all of your devices, iPhone, Android, Mac, PC, Roku, and even Apple TV. Start your free trial today at artforkidshub.tv. Let's first draw her eyes. We're gonna draw a circle for each eye, and I'm gonna draw it about this big, and then we'll leave some space, and then we'll draw her other eye over here, the same size. And let's add more details to the eyes, even more than what we usually do. Let's draw the pupil inside. So we're going to draw another circle that's pretty big. Inside. And then we'll draw an even smaller circle in the top left of the pupil. Yes, and then we're going to color in the medium one, or the pupil circle, but leave the little one white. That's the highlight.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, now we're going to draw the outside of our eye. We're going to start on the inside. We're going to draw a curve that comes out and over and down, but we're going to stop there. We'll draw it really big. I didn't want to draw it that big. Maybe we'll draw it, I'll add some thickness. There we go. Make it a little thicker. And then we'll draw that same curve over here, and I'm going to go out the same distance, even though, well, maybe it's a little small. The most important thing is to
have fun.
Yeah, to have fun. I'm getting all nervous. Okay, we're drawing our eyes differently than what we usually do. Let's add eyelashes. We'll add 3 eyelashes and 3 eyelashes over here. Next, we're going to draw her famous
goggles.
Yeah, goggles, and they're really big. Yeah. We're going to start here and add 2 points. We're going to draw 1 and 2. Those are our 2 guide points. We're going to start on the left side since we're right-handed, and we're going to draw a big sideways raindrop without a point, because it goes over our nose and over our eyes. So then on this side, we're going to draw a little curve here, but then we're going to try to match. And because we're right-handed, we're drawing the left side first so that we can try to compare. While we're drawing this side, we're looking at this side to match.
Yeah.
So our friends, if you guys are left-handed, you can swap. You could draw the right side first and then draw the left side. Okay, next let's draw the outside of the goggles. We're going to repeat that same shape, but just trace around a little bigger. And we'll do the other side too while we're doing it. It already looks like her.
Yeah, it does.
Then we can add a diagonal line, top and bottom, on both sides.
I love this game so much.
Yeah, you started playing it more because...
It kind of came back.
Yeah, it has an update.
Yeah.
And new characters.
Yeah, it does.
Tracer's the classic one, though. Yeah.
It's on like the front cover.
Oh, yeah, the main character.
Yeah.
Okay, then let's draw her little nose and her mouth. We're going to draw it really cute, just a little smile underneath. Now let's draw her chin, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down from the left side of the goggles over to the right side. Okay, next let's draw her cool hair. We're going to draw a big upside down letter U, or rainbow line, from the other side, from the left side over to the right side. She looks bald. We got to give her hair. So we'll start here. We're going to go just over the goggles, and we're going to draw it coming across to the other side. We're going to come up here and then connect into that shape that we drew. Then we can add a little zigzag. I'm going to draw a little zigzag here, and then we're going to draw a curve coming down on the other side. Okay, now let's add even more hair and make her look cooler. We're going to draw a short line down. Then we'll draw it curving up. Then we're going to draw another diagonal coming out. And then this one, we can draw kind of an S curve. So we'll curve one way, and then we're going to curve up and then into the top of her head. Yes. And then on this side, let's add another diagonal here and then curve back in too. Okay, let's add even more hair sticking out. We're going to draw a cool little diagonal line here and then an S curve back in. Then we'll draw a curve coming up and an S curve coming back down and into our part. We could even add another little small zigzag and another spike right here too. Okay, I think we got most of her hair. It looks really cool. Oh, we could also add just small little ears too on each side. Now let's draw her body. We're going to start by just drawing two diagonal lines or straight lines down on each side, coming down from her chin. Then we'll draw a short line right here in the middle, down a little lower so that we can draw diagonal lines coming back up to the outside. Then right here in the middle, we're going to draw a circle and another circle inside of it. Yeah. Okay, next let's add more details to her cool outfit. We're going to draw a diamond on top of the circle and then kind of a square shape on the bottom. Then we're going to draw a line coming out from the left and the right. Then we'll draw a short line from the top of the circle, or kind of the middle of the circle, and then a diagonal line up. Short line, diagonal line to match on the other side. Okay, then let's draw her collar. We're going to draw letter V right underneath her chin. Then we can draw a curve coming down from her shoulders on both sides. And another curve right underneath it. Well, we're adding a lot of details.
Yeah.
Maybe that's all we can fit. Okay, let's move on. We can draw, let's do one more. We're going to add two diagonal lines on the right and then two on the left that also match. Okay, that's all we're going to add. Okay. Now let's draw her pants and her legs. We're going to start here and we'll draw a line coming down and another line coming down for the outside of her legs. Then we're going to draw a short line right here in the middle. And then we're going to draw the inside of her legs coming really close to her ankle and the same thing over here to match. She has some cool straps on her legs. We're going to draw one here and one right below it. Then we can do the same thing on the other side to match. And let's add an extra strap right here on the left leg. Then we can draw her shoes. We're going to draw a line to connect the bottom of her legs. Then we'll draw the heel on the inside. And then we're going to draw the top of her shoe. We're going to come out, curve around, and then back into her heel. And match on this side. Out, curve around, and into the heel. I like how small your feet are.
Thank you.
It looks really cool. Then we can add another line if you can fit it in for the bottom of her shoes. Yes, her shoes are really cool. They're white.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, and then we can add her arms, and we're going to draw them on her hips. So first, let's draw her shoulder coming down from her neck, and then we're going to draw, so just really a sideways letter V, and on this side to match. Okay, now for the inside of her arm, we'll start at her armpit, come out to her elbow. Then we're going to come back in. And right before we connect, let's make it a little bigger for her fist. So see how I went up again? We'll do the same thing on this side. Armpit, elbow, wrist, and then up for her fist. Okay, now let's add more details to her arms, just like we did for her body. Let's draw her sleeves first. So we can draw right here on her elbow, we're gonna draw 2 curves and match on this side. Her sleeves are rolled up. Then we can also add a patch on this shoulder and a patch on this shoulder. Then on her wrist, we'll draw a line. She has these cool, I don't know what it is. Are these her guns or armor? Or just like kind of...
I don't know. Well, she goes back in time. She like can reverse herself.
Oh, so maybe that's part of her powers?
Yeah, it could be.
Okay, and then let's add a little extra wing on the side of her arm. And then her gloves are black, so let's color those in solid. And we did it, we finished drawing Tracer, except we still need to
Color her.
Yeah, she's gonna look really cool colored in.
Yeah.
This part will fast forward, but at the end you can pause the video to match our same coloring. And we did it! We finished coloring Tracer, and she turned out awesome.
Yeah, she did.
I hope our friends will color their drawings too. You can even add a background.
Yeah, like one of the maps.
Oh, that would be awesome. Or maybe give her a gun.
Oh, yeah.
You could draw it differently with an arm out and then draw really cool guns. Does she have 2?
Yeah, she has 2.
Oh yeah, you could draw both her arms out with both the guns.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing with us.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turn out awesome.
Yeah, they did.
Most important thing is
To have fun.
and to
Practice.
Yeah. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.